Good morning, student. Today I am going to tell you about the linkage and recombination. Clear? Linkage is the phenomenon of certain genes staying together during inheritance, okay, through generation without any change or separation. Linkage means linkage is a procedure. In an easy word, I can say that it is the tendency of genes staying together, okay, during inheritance. Mean that whatever characteristics are just inherited as same as with the parents. Clear? So it's because of the linkage. So linkage is the tendency of genes staying together, means wherever linkage will take place, no crossing over will be there, no recombination will be there, okay. But where crossing over will take place, it means that linkage will not take place. So linkage is a transmission of the characteristic from one generation to next generation in which genes are staying together during inheritance. Clear? Morgan has proved this process of linkage on the basis of experiment in fruit fly. Fruit fly, the name of fruit flies is Drosophila melanogaster. Why it is known as the fruit fly? Because in the ripening of fruit, they just roam around the ripened fruits. Clear? So that's why Morgan has just observed the breeding experiment on Drosophila melanogaster. Okay, so here what is the meaning of linkage? As I told you, genes which are inherited together means whatever okay, I'm showing you one structure, okay, by which you can suppose it's a structure of a chromosome. A gene is present in that locus, or A gene is present in that locus, okay. Locus is the area where gene is present in chromosome. Chromosome में जहाँ पर जीन रहता है उस जगह को बोलते हैं locus. Clear? So here you can see that there is a possibility that this gene can be show the process of crossing over, because they both are very far. Clear? So these genes can't be inherited together to the next generation. In second case, if I'll show you about, in second case, this chromosome is having both the gene in that area. So there is a very much possibility that they both genes can be inherited from one generation to next generation. So how much genes are near, they show the inheritance, they show the linkage process. How much genes are far from each other, they show the crossing over process. Okay children, so it's about the crossing over. So now I am going to tell you about the one experiment which has performed by the Morgan, because basically linkage process is of two types: complete linkage or incomplete linkage. Clear? In complete linkage, if we discuss that some characteristics are just similar to their parents, no changes are there. Suppose if I am going to tell you about one example in case of fly only. If white, in this case inherit in this case linkage process as shown by the Morgan, okay. So mean that in complete generation, what in complete linkage, what will happen, that no changes will take place in a next generation. Means the ratio between parent characteristic and the ratio of in the in the next generation characteristic, in the progeny characteristics are just similar. There will be no blending of characteristic, no changes in the characteristic. Means the new generation is just cut copy paste of their parents. It show the complete linkage. Clear? Here Morgan has clearly proved that defined a linkage on the basis of his experiment. What are the linked genes? Clear? Linked genes are that are inherited together from one generation to next generation and located on the same chromosome, as which I have shown you already. Clear? So in case of humans, if I am telling you in case of humans, then we will discuss about it. In case of humans, how many chromosomes are present? 23 pair of chromosomes are present. So how much amount of n is present? This may be the linkage criteria. 23 points हैं जहाँ पर linkage हो सकता है. So human have 23 linkage groups. Clear? If suppose any individual is having the, in case of fruit fly also, it's having the 4 pair of chromosome. 4 pair of chromosome means n equal to 4. So in melanogaster, Drosophila melanogaster, how many linkage groups can be possible? 4 linkage groups can be possible. Okay, so in this experiment you can see on your screen also, when red-eyed female crossed with white-eyed male, clear, because it's a muted characteristic which is present in only male. So you can see that in F1 generation, you can observe that red-eyed female and red-eyed males are present. So that this characteristic is a dominant characteristic, and this characteristic is a recessive characteristic. Okay, so in F2 generation, if they show the cross fertilization, that time they show that in F1 generation red-eyed females are present, red-eyed males are present, white-eyed males are present. Here is no red white-eyed female is present. That is the question. Okay, why is it so? Because this eye color characteristic or this gene is especially present in the chromosome, in the sex chromosome. Okay, it has proved by Morgan that you can see in that characteristic also in a Punnett square. You can observe that when red-eyed female crossed with white-eyed male, that time there is a possibility that which kind of female is there? Red everywhere, red-eyed female and red-eyed males are present in F1 generation. Okay, but in second case you can see that when red-eyed female and red-eyed male crossed with each other, that time you can observe that one white-eyed male is formed. Okay, so white-eyed male, it proves that this is the recessive character and carry on in the it's just carried on in a next generation also. So it's about the Morgan experiment. On your in your NCERT book also you can observe that the color wild the white color is present in only in male. Okay, or red color is present only in female. Okay, I hope that process is clear. If you have any question regarding this, you can send me your question. Okay, thank you children.